In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive from Windows. If you no longer use OneDrive or you simply want to remove it from your computer, Windows makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can uninstall it cleanly. To begin, open the Settings app on your Windows computer. A quick way to do this is by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. Once you're there, look to the left-hand panel and choose Apps. This is where Windows manages the programs and features installed on your device. After selecting Apps, click Installed Apps. If you're using an older version of Windows, this section may be labeled Apps and Features instead. Don't worry if the wording looks a little different on your screen, because the goal is the same. You're going to the list of programs currently installed on your computer. Now scroll through the list or use the search bar if one is available and find Microsoft OneDrive. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct app, especially if you have other Microsoft programs installed. You want to locate OneDrive specifically. Once you've found Microsoft OneDrive, click the More Options button, which usually appears as 3 dots. On some versions of Windows, you may simply need to click the OneDrive entry itself to reveal the available actions. Either way, the next option you're looking for is Uninstall. Click Uninstall, and then when Windows asks you to confirm, click Uninstall again. This second confirmation is normal and is there to make sure you really want to remove the app. After that, follow any uninstall prompts that appear on your screen. These prompts may vary slightly depending on your version of Windows, but in most cases the process only takes a few moments. Once the uninstall finishes, OneDrive will be removed from your system. If you still see any OneDrive icons temporarily, give your computer a moment to refresh. In some cases, restarting your PC afterward can help make sure everything updates properly, although the uninstall process itself is already complete. And that's it. That's how to delete OneDrive from Windows. If you're following along, just move through each screen carefully and you should have it removed in no time.